Free. Everybody is looking for free domain name. But do you think a domain name which is free is useful? Do you think you can build a professional website from a free domain name? I don't think so. I am not agree with this. If you are building a professional website, then I would recommend you to go for a paid domain name, because it will help you to make something good, and you will be able to earn more profit and results as well. So let me show you how to get free domain names first. You can type free domain on Google and search it. There are so many websites. Freenom is one of the popular websites for free domain names. Okay, you can check availability. Let me type my name only and check availability. These are the domain extensions: .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf and .gq. You will get these ones for free. Let me check whether it is available. It's not available. Let me check this one. ML is available, right? GA. But I will tell you one thing, these domain extensions are not good for professional website. For 1 year they will give you free. From next year onward they will be charging you for this domain name. There are some places where these domain names are not even accessible, so it is better to go for a paid domain hosting. The second thing which I want to show you, you can get free domain name along with hosting service. You can type free domain with hosting. If you are going for a domain, then you can just buy a hosting and you will get a domain free. There are so many platforms from you can get a free domain name along with hosting. You can see in Hostinger, free website hosting. There are so many websites. You can see almost free web hosting. They have plans. Sometimes they provide one website free, you can see, along with hosting plan. But you need to go for hosting. You can see there are so many websites. You can see they are providing here free domain names, but you need to go for this plan in Hostinger. So they have certain plans which you can go for, and you can find free domain name along with hosting, right? But I would recommend you to go for this paid one only if you are going for a professional website. But there are so many students who do not have money to afford, and they just want to learn how to design website. They just want to go for basics, so they can go for this free ones, free domain extension, and learn how to design website. But if you are going for a professional website, definitely go for paid domain, right? So there are many companies which provide domain along with hosting, but you need to pay for hosting, right? Then only they will be able to right. So it is better to go for a paid one and build a professional website. And in case you want to build any professional website, just let me know, as I am an expert web developer as well. So you can get in touch with me by using my social media link given in the description, and I will show you plans how to build a professional website. Okay, so in case you find this video helpful, just click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, bye bye and take care.